Okay, team. So as you can see, so this is now the dashboard where we'll be doing all our annotation work. So team, once the project has been created using this tab, I think you can all see this project up here. So once the project has been created, so you can you can just see it here, but because you are just annotators, you won't be able to see. But your team leads or someone else who will be in charge of that project will be able to see this. So this tab for projects is for your team lead. Okay, we proceed to task label. So this one now will just display list of all tasks that has been created here in project tab. So as you can see, I have several tasks that has been created right here. But as you can see, team, so this one has not been assigned yet to anyone. But once you have been assigned this task, you will be able to see it on your jobs tab here. As you can see, these are now the tasks that have been assigned to me, and I can comfortably annotate from this point. So team, I think these are the three tabs that are useful when you are doing annotation on CVAT tool, but all the rest here, which is cloud storage, requests, and models, are for people who are in charge of this project, and that is maybe team leads and engineers. So these three tabs are not useful for our training practicals. So team, I will just show you all the annotation tools you have been taught on image labeling. So I will go on and try to open this image here. Yeah, as you can see, here is our annotation workspace. As you can see, we have an image with these objects, and I will just remove this. Yeah. So team, here on the side panel, we have annotation tools here. Like for this one is for cursor. You can just disable your cursor right here if you wish to. And here you can this tab you can use to move your image to wherever you want in this annotation workspace. As you can see, for this one you can move to undo what you have just annotated right here. Like, let me just show you an example here. Like, if I just want to annotate this one using a bounding box, I can just do it like this and just double click to complete. So if I want to undo this one, I can just use this one to undo. To rotate, not to rotate. So try to rotate the image to whichever way you want before you do your annotation. So for this one, you use to fit the image into your screen. Like if it is for this one, if you want to fit the screen, you can just click this one to adjust to fit the screen. I think the most important tool we are going to use here is the bounding box, polygon, and point annotation. So team, if you want to annotate this one using a polygon, you can just click right here and choose the label you want to annotate, which is cut, and you just go ahead and annotate. So team, yours should be more precise than mine, because this one is just for to show you how this thing is being done right here. So you press N in your keyboard to complete your annotation.